Hello viewers. Today, we'll show you how to use the Test e-Invoice validation feature in SQL accounting software. To ensure your e-invoices are correctly submitted, SQL has introduced a unique feature that allows you to validate all 55 LHDN required fields without submitting them to the LHDN production server. This gives users confidence in error-free, fully API-compliant e-invoices content when performing bulk upload validations later before the 7th of the following month. Let's begin. First, select My Invoice, then click on Test e-Invoice Validation. If there's any missing or incorrect data in your e-invoice, the system will display an error list or a dialog box highlighting the specific issues. You can review the details, make the necessary corrections, and validate the e-invoice again. Once the validation is successful, a green tick will appear, and a unique UUID will be generated for your e-invoice. The background will show a testing remark to indicate this is a test validation. Finally, click Submit e-invoice and the e-invoice will be validated by the LHDN production server. And that's it. You've successfully tested the e-invoice validation process in SQL accounting software. Now, it's your turn. Try these steps and see how quickly you can get the hang of it. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our YouTube for the latest videos, follow us on Facebook to stay updated, visit our website for important guides. It's so easy.